Dear students, this is ninth Biology Unit 20 Part 2. Unit 20 Part 2, Organ Systems in Animals. Last video class we have seen organ systems in animal introduction part we have seen. So this introduction parts we have seen, and also we have seen different types of organ system and what are the organs are involved in the organ system and what are the functions of each and every organs we have seen. Now the topic we are going to see is the one human digestive system. What is digestive system? The system which are used for digestion purpose, that is we call as a human digestive system. What is digestion? Digestion is the process of break down the small particles, break down the larger particles into smaller one, that is we call as a digestion. The food we eat contain not only simple substances like vitamins, minerals, but also contain complex substances such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Here, the food what we eat, so in that food, the simple substance is not contained like vitamins and minerals, but also it contains the complex substances like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The body cannot use these complex substances directly unless they are converted into simple substances. The complex substances the body cannot utilize directly unless if they convert into simple substances. The 5 stages of nutrition process include ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. Just underline these 5 stages of nutrition process. If your textbook, take out the textbook and just underline 5 stages of nutrition process: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. Here, what is ingestion? The process of nutrition begins with intake of food is called ingestion. Just underline ingestion, mark it 2 marks also. The breakdown of large complex insoluble food molecules into small, simpler soluble and diffusible particles by the actions of digestive enzymes is called digestion. Just mark it this also, one of the 2 marks. Define digestion, they'll ask you. What they say here, the breakdown the large complex insoluble food molecules, that is the one insoluble one. That insoluble large complex food molecules, just we are going to convert, that enzymes going to convert into simple soluble and diffusible particles by the process of digestive enzymes. In our body, there are digestive enzymes are secreted during digestion process. So that digestion enzymes only helpful for break down the large complex substances into simpler complex substances. The parts of the body con- concerned with digestion of food forms the digestive systems. And here, so this is a diagram of parts of human digestive system. Parts of human digestive system. So in the mouth parts, you can find three pairs of salivary glands. They secrete saliva. The three pairs are, they'll ask you one word. How many pairs of salivary glands are there? Means you have to say three pairs of salivary glands. What does the secrete mean? Saliva. First pair is the one parotid. Second is the one sublingual. Third one is the one submandibular. So these three parts are present in our mouth as a salivary glands. Then esophagus. Esophagus. Then the food will come to stomach. Then the parts which present in the digestive organs are liver, spleen, splenic fissure, gallbladder, pancreas, duodenum, hepatic fissure, then ascending colon, then transverse colon, then descending colon, jejunum, ileum, sigmoid colon, anus, rectum, vermiform of appendix. So these are the parts are present in our human digestive system. Just learn all these parts. Just try to practice of this diagram in your classwork. Then we'll see the continuations of it. The digestive system consists of two sets of organs. They are alimentary canal. They are, first one is the one alimentary canal. You can underline this one, or we also can call this one as a digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract. Alimentary canals can be called as digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract. It is a passage starting from the mouth and ending with the anus. They'll ask you where does it starts and where does it ends of alimentary canal. Just underline the digestive glands. Glands associated with alimentary canal are the salivary glands, gastric glands, pancreas, liver, and intestinal glands. Okay, this also they'll ask you 2 marks. Important one. What is glands? Glands means secretion. Since these glands are used for digestion process or digestion purpose, it is called as digestive glands. The next one we'll see structure of the alimentary canal. Structure of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a muscular coiled tubular structure. Alimentary canal is the one muscular coiled tubular structure. It consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. See here, the consisting of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. These are the small intestine. These three parts are present in small intestine. Which one? Duodenum, jejunum, ileum. The large intestine. Large intestine consists of cecum, colon, rectum, cecum, colon, rectum, and finally anus. So these are the parts are present in the alimentary canal. So that's what we are seeing in the diagram, the human parts of the digestive system. Here we'll see one by one. Mouth. The mouth leads into the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity means inner mouth, we can see. It is bounded by two soft, movable upper and lower lips. And the buccal cavity is a large space. Buccal cavity is a large space bound above the palate. Palate means the skull, the mouth, both lateral sides, lower jaw, upper jaws are that is we call as a palate. Inside that lower jaw, upper jaw we call as a palate, which separate windpipe and food pipe. Here the buccal cavity is a large space bound above the palate. And this one they separate windpipe and food pipe. What is the use of windpipe? Wind means air. When we breathe in, breathe out during that time, air is entering through that windpipe. And food pipe means which one will enter in the food pipe. The food what we eat that will go through the food pipe. Below the throat and on the sides of by the jaws. The jaws bear teeth. The jaws bear teeth. The next we'll see next parts of digestive gland. Digestive part is 7 teeth. So the teeth are hard structures meant for holding, cutting, grinding, crushing the food. What are the use of teeth? Underline holding, cutting, grinding, crushing the food. In human beings, two sets of teeth are there. That is diphodont. Di means two. Phodont means set of teeth. In human beings, two sets of teeth are developed in their lifetime. First appearing set of 20 teeth are called as temporary or milk teeth. Underline this. They'll ask you what is temporary or what is milk teeth. Milk teeth are replaced by a secondary set of 32 permanent teeth. So there are two sets of diphodont, that is milk teeth, and temporary milk teeth is also called as a temporary teeth. And second one is the one permanent teeth. The permanent teeth, 32 permanent teeth are there, 16 in each jaws. 16 in each jaws. Each has a root fitted in the gums. Here underline this one. Tooth has a root, that root fitted in the gums. Gums means the tissue which presents, and that tissue is used to hold the teeth. That is we call as a gums. That process only we call as a decodent. The permanent teeth are four types. That is we call as a heterodont. According to the structure and functions, namely are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Premolars and molars. Here types of teeth and their functions. We'll see the size of the four different types of and size of the teeth. Here different kinds of teeth are there. First one, incisors, the sharp one. How many incisors are there? Number of teeth incisors is the one, both lower jaw as well as upper jaw. 8 number of incisors will be there. What are the functions of this one? And used for cutting and biting. And second one, canine. How many number of canines are there in our Teeth means there are four number of canine teeth are there. It is used for tearing and parsing the flesh of the other animals. And third type is the one premolars. What is that one? Premolars. In mouth, eight premolars are there. This premolars used for crushing and grinding one. Then finally, last set of teeth is the one molars. So there are 12 number of molars teeth are there in our mouth. There are 12 number of molars teeth are there. That function is crushing, grinding, and mastications. So these are the different kinds of the teeth. The tabla column. So different types of teeth and their functions. Just we have seen and explained to you. Just mark it this one as a 2 marks. Okay. Then remaining explanations of digestive system of human we'll see in the next class. Okay, bye. Take care. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through WhatsApp.